Congratulations on getting accepted into law school. Let's talk about the first terms you will learn about in law school. What is a 1L? A 1L is a first-year law student. What does ALWD stand for? ALWD is an abbreviation for Association of Legal Writing Directors. This is an alternative citation system used at some law schools. What is Black's Law Dictionary? Black's Law Dictionary is the most well-known legal dictionary. What is the Bluebook? The Bluebook is the uniform system of citation used in most legal writing classes. It is also used by practicing lawyers as well as courts. What is a brief? The term brief may refer to either a case brief, which is a way of summarizing a judicial opinion in preparation for class, or a brief filed in court, which is a persuasive document that seeks to convince the judge to rule in your favor. What is a clinic? A clinic is an upper-level course in which you represent clients under the supervision of a law professor who is also a practicing attorney. What is cold calling? Cold calling is when a professor calls on students regardless of whether they have raised their hand. This is a method commonly used in law school, and is designed to ensure that all students do their reading. What is common law? The common law is a body of law developed through judicial decisions. What is the FRCP? FRCP stands for the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. What is a hypo? Hypo is an abbreviation for hypothetical, a fictitious set of facts, sometimes called a fact pattern, to which you apply the rules of law. Professors may pose hypos in class, and they are often the basis for your midterm and final exams. What is IRAC? IRAC is an acronym that stands for Issue, Rule, Application, and Conclusion. It is the fundamental unit of legal analysis. What is Law Review, or Law Journal? The Law Review or Law Journal is a publication of the law school, with articles drafted by law professors from across the country. Students are responsible for selecting and editing the articles. What is an outline in the law school context? An outline is a study tool, created by you, that organizes and condenses the information you have learned in class. It may be in a traditional outline format, but not necessarily. What is precedent? Precedent is the body of prior judicial opinions to which subsequent courts may be bound. What is Socratic method? Socratic method is an approach to teaching law where the professor questions one or more students about the cases they have read for class to draw out the significance of the case. What is statutory law? Statutory law is law enacted by federal, state, or local legislative bodies. What is a study aid or study guide? Study aids and study guides are supplemental materials that can assist you in better understanding the law, either by summarizing the law or presenting you with practice questions, or both. What does UCC stand for? UCC stands for the Uniform Commercial Code, a model statute used in contracts and other courses dealing with commercial or business law. Smash that like button, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. Catch you later. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep fighting for what's right. See you next time. Like this? If you found this information helpful and inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and family.